Hello guys, welcome to my channel and for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the ring. So today I'm gonna let you know to a tip that how much is your computer graphic card is. First, when you're on your desktop, right click on your desktop and come to the click on screen resolution. Then you will see this page here. For know that how much is your graphic card is, you can click here as advanced setting. Yes, advanced setting, and then you will see this page. So this page is the all details of your graphic card, that how much is your dedicated or how much is your shared graphic card is. You can see all of them in here. This is the total available graphic card in your computer which is installed. This is the dedicated, and this is the system video memory, and this is the share one. So all the graphic details are in here. Also, for knowing this, that for your monitor properties, you can click here on monitor to know more about your monitor setting. So this was all the information about this too, how to know that how much is your graphic card is. And for this, that if you are using a computer including an Nvidia, you can click in the sport is in here, and you will see here an Nvidia logo. You can click on that and know that how much is your computer graphic card is. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good day. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.